Virtual reality is evolving fast, and 2025 is already shaping up to be a game changer. Whether you're into immersive gaming, virtual fitness, or just exploring new digital worlds, the right headset can make all the difference. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best VR headsets for 2025, from the most powerful all-in-one devices to cutting-edge PC VR systems, and even a few surprises you won't see coming. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. HTC Vive Focus Vision. Our previous VR headset upgrade pick was the Meta Quest Pro. Unfortunately, Meta seemed to disagree, as the headset has been discontinued and plans for a successor have been cancelled. It leaves a void for a more luxury PC VR headset. The HTC Vive Focus Vision, 6 out of 10, Wired review, is probably the best candidate to fill that void, but it comes with some asterisks. This $1,000 headset has high-resolution screens and a super comfortable headset that balances its weight with a swappable battery in the back. There are speakers built into the headset brackets, so you don't need to use headphones, and the PC connection kit provides lossless, ultra-smooth gameplay when connected to a PC. For a luxury headset, though, there are some questionable choices. It uses Fresnel lenses that are more prone to distortion and artifacts. That's a baffling choice here at this price. I also don't love that the connection kit costs an extra $150. While the Focus Vision can technically be used as a standalone headset, the onboard software is severely lacking. You'll get your best mileage by using it with a PC, which, of course, raises the cost even further, but if you can get over those hurdles, there are few supported headsets playing at this level. Number 2. Meta Quest 3. The Meta Quest 3, 8 out of 10, Wired recommends, is a massive upgrade over its predecessor in almost every category. It has improved specs across the board, slightly higher resolution, a faster processor, more RAM, and the option for up to 512 GB of internal storage, but the biggest change is the mixed reality upgrade. The previous model, the Quest 2, had external-facing cameras for orienting itself in the world and a pass-through feature that let you see the room you're in to avoid obstacles. The Quest 3 takes it several steps further, making immersive augmented reality core to the experience. For starters, the pass-through cameras can now show you a color image instead of black and white. It's also slightly higher resolution, so it's easier to tell what you're looking at. It still feels a bit like you're looking at an early 2000s era YouTube video of your living room, but it's worlds better than not being able to see your surroundings at all. This tech enables some innovative new games and experiences. One of my favorites, Piano Vision, is designed to help you learn the piano by overlaying helpful information and even piano rolls onto a video of your actual, physical keyboard. It turns practicing the instrument into a Guitar Hero-like experience, and it's something that wouldn't be possible with VR alone. Number 3. Meta Quest 3S. The Meta Quest 3S is all you need to get started with VR, thanks to its color pass-through cameras, reliable controls, and affordable price. The Meta Quest 2 is 5 years old, first launched as the Oculus Quest 2 before Meta bought the VR headset company. Until now, it was our budget recommendation if you were interested in VR without committing too much money. Now Meta is retiring the Quest 2 and replacing it with the Quest 3S. This new budget headset starts at $299.99. Like the Quest 2, uses the same display, and features the Quest 3's chip and cameras. As a result, the Quest 3S is our new Editor's Choice winner for low-cost VR headsets, though the $499 Quest 3 is worth the extra money if you want a sharper picture. It's the best headset for anyone looking to explore virtual reality, and enough of an upgrade to replace your existing Quest 2 if you don't want to buy a Quest 3. If you're on the fence about the Quest 3 and the Quest 3S, our comparison of the two can help you make a decision. Number 4. Meta Quest Pro. The standalone Meta Quest Pro VR headset is aimed at professionals as much as enthusiasts, with a high price that reflects its impressive feature set. Meta has finally produced a follow-up to the excellent Meta Quest 2, and it may not be what you were expecting. Yes, the Meta Quest Pro is a VR headset, and a much more advanced one at that. It's also $1,499.99, 3 times the price of the Meta Quest 2. And as the Pro moniker hints, this is aimed at enterprise users, professionals who want to integrate AR and VR into their workflows. It is available to consumers. Enthusiasts can buy one without jumping through hoops, unlike some exclusively commercial headsets. But the Meta Quest Pro is clearly meant more for professionals than anyone else, and in that regard, it largely succeeds. The Meta Quest Pro is a sleek, black headset with a glossy front panel that makes it look more serious and professional than the bulbous, white Quest 2. The head strap, similar to the optional Elite strap, forgoes the basic, 3-point harness in favor of a single wraparound band with thickly padded sections on the front and back to cradle your head. The rear section contains the battery to help distribute the weight, and features a ring for tightening the headset. Number 5. HTC Vive Pro 2. The Vive Pro 2 is the highest resolution VR headset we've seen yet, with a price to match. It's worth considering if you want the best VR experience available and don't mind mixing and matching components. Despite my qualms about tripping over cords, PC-tethered VR is still going strong, as seen in the excellent Valve Index. Before the Index, though, Valve partnered with HTC to produce the first Vive VR headset to work with the Steam VR platform. The two companies parted ways on VR development, with HTC vying for much more enterprise and development attention with its Focus and Pro Eye headsets, while Valve released the Grip Sensing Index. HTC isn't out of the consumer VR game, however, with its middling but functional Vive Cosmos headset and its new Vive Pro 2. Despite its name, the Vive Pro 2 is intended for both professional VR and consumers, offering the same Steam VR compatibility as the Valve Index along with HTC's own Viveport ecosystem. On one hand, it offers some of the highest resolution and cleanest visuals we've seen in a consumer-available VR headset. On the other hand, it's by far the priciest at $799 for only the headset, requiring a sizable extra spend for the base stations and controllers it needs to work.